Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Fix Roku remote interference fast by first removing obstacles between the remote and device. Check the batteries are fresh and properly installed. If it's an infrared remote, shine a flashlight on the sensor to test it. For better reliability, try using the Roku mobile app as a remote. Also, keep your Roku and router away from other electronics to reduce interference. These quick steps usually solve the problem.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.